Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC9 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement motor and filter ready as well. Begin by unplugging your Dyson DC9 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A soft cloth can help you reach those tricky spots. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, locate the motor's wiring harness. Carefully disconnect it by pulling the connector straight out. Avoid tugging on the wires themselves to prevent any damage. Once disconnected, you'll find additional screws securing the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. With the screws out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to compare the old motor with the new one to ensure they match. If everything looks good, place the new motor into the housing, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Now let's move on to the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the motor. Remove the old filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Dispose of it properly and take your new filter, ensuring it's the correct model for your Dyson DC9. Insert the new filter by twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to check for any additional cleaning that may be needed. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so if you prefer, we can handle the entire process for you. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Now replace the cover of the vacuum, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws at the base, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure everything is snug to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, plug your Dyson DC9 back in and test it out. You should notice improved suction and performance with the new motor and filter. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you keep your vacuum in top shape. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor and filter in your Dyson DC9. Enjoy your cleaner, more efficient vacuuming experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.